Hey guys, welcome back. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. And in today's video, I am going to be reviewing the Nailboxy July box. I just got mine last week. I know there were like some shipping issues going on with them. Their shipping department or whatever, they're no longer with them, so that's why it's not in a regular box and why it took so long. So if you want to see what I got and what I think of these products, then stick around and let's get into the video. Okay, so I know this is not the normal box, but this is what they sent me. And as you know, Nailboxy releases the items that you're gonna get. It's just a matter of like what color you may get of something. So I already know what's in here and I've gone ahead and looked up prices like I did with my Macart box. So when you first open the box, you get this thank you card from them. And it basically explains what was going on. Their fulfillment center, that's what I was trying to think of. They had transitioned to a new fulfillment center, so therefore they were using temporary boxes this time around, and they're basically just apologizing for any delays and that sort of thing. So that is very nice of them. And in addition, they gave me a coupon code to Jellyfit Professional, extra special Nailboxy promo. I'm not sure what Jellyfit is, but it's nice to have a coupon. I'm gonna have to go check that out. First thing that we got were acrylics from Like a Boss. This is it's a Christian-based company, it seems like, run by the woman Jasmine Torres. If you look on like the side of the acrylic, it has like a scripture, Luke 1:25, and then actually what I thought was like really sweet, when you go to their website, they have like a prayer text number that you can text to ask for like prayers for your business, I guess. I don't know. I thought that was very sweet. And then I got the color Influencer, which is this orange color. If I'm being honest, I'm not like the biggest fan of this color. It's kind of like baby poop orange. I hate to say it, but it is. Again, this is $15.99. I am going to swatch these. So I have some monomer that I purchased because I knew that we were getting acrylic powders in our box, and I went on and I bought like another acrylic brush. Now, mind you, I don't work with acrylic. The only acrylic that I've ever used has been like cheap acrylic, you know, like those Kiss acrylic kits. So bear with me if like my beads are not perfect. It is very pigmented. I will say this is like a very pigmented color. I'm not going to swatch the clear because I don't think that's really necessary. I will do the orange. So I'm literally just going to put like a tiny bit of monomer in this dish, and whoo, it smells like I am definitely not used to that smell. For the ladies out there that do use acrylic, are there monomers that do not smell like death? Because that one is pretty awful. This is the Nail Couture one. Oh, holy moly. It's like, I can tell that there's like a scent to it to try to like hide the fact that it smells so awful, but it's pretty bad. It's not bad, right? I didn't do a bad job with that. So that's the color. That is like it's very pigmented. And you know what's funny is I just watched Evie's video that she did with acrylics, and she did like this orange nail look. And I don't know, I might try to like recreate that look that she did with this just so I can use them. It is really soft and like buttery. Again, I'm not like used to working with acrylics, but so I'm just kind of like tapping it just to kind of see what it feels like to like move it around and whatnot. Definitely interesting, very nice. I do like that they included the acrylic powders because not everybody works with gel. Some people like acrylic. So moving along, the next items that we got were from the company Waterworld. And we got a matte top coat and the color 013, which is a blue shade. And then this nude, more like a brownish nude, 032. So I will swatch these. Now, all three of these were $14.75. It's like a gray brown. I really like these shades, honestly. Like, I have quite a few shades like this. And I like wearing like an all nude but like with different shades sometimes. I think that's like a really pretty look. It's very basic, but like it looks nice. And then here's this blue shade. Now, you all know how I feel about blues. I am obsessed with them, so I do like this color a lot. Oh my gosh. You know what's funny? These do not feel like gel polishes to me. They're very pigmented and clearly like one coat colors, but they're very thin. The consistency of them is not like most gel polishes that I use. They almost feel like nail polish. Okay. So moving right along, the last item that we got were just some little stars. I'm trying to like get them to move down because they're kind of stuck to the top. I mean, honestly, I can't give you like a price for this. I'm gonna say they're probably like $1, and that's probably being generous. You could probably find like a huge pack of these on like Shein or Amazon for like super cheap. It's cute, nice that it's included. I will use them, but I don't think they're really worth that much, and I'm sure you guys don't either. So that is all that is in the box this month. I don't get that same joy that I get when I open these boxes as I do when I open the Macart Your Nail Lab boxes. I honestly feel like if you were going to include acrylic in a box, I wish that they would have included some monomer with it as well and just made it like an all acrylic box, done like some monomer, give me an acrylic brush, because like I don't work with acrylic, so I had to go out and buy monomer. I had to go out and buy an acrylic brush in order to be able to use these. Or if you were going to do gel polishes, give me some gel polishes, give me some nail art items like some detailer brushes or something like that. I feel like that would have made this a little better. As far as the grand total goes, this box did come out to $77.22, and that was with my generous, $1 price for these stars. Now, the Nailboxy boxes are $29.99, so it comes out to like $35 after tax, I believe. It just, like I said, it just doesn't give me that same excitement, and I hate to say that because these are like professional items and nice size. Like these are a full size nail polish bottle. It's 15 milliliters, and I'm going to say this is an ounce. I'm not 100% sure. It doesn't say it on the packaging. Oh wait, yes it does. Sorry, 1 ounce. Yeah, so these are 1 ounce packages. They're nice. I hope that it doesn't leak because it doesn't have like a little sifter cap inside to keep the acrylic from coming out. Sorry, I was just feeling that to see if it was like firm yet. I am going to do a look with all of these as I usually do in a next video. Let me know what your guys' opinions are on the Nailboxy boxes. Do you feel the same way that I feel? I know with my first one I was extremely disappointed, and I definitely let them go off easy considering what was in that box. The next box I am very excited about. They've already released the information because it's already August, and the next box is all Model 1's products, and it's like a cohesive collection, but I feel like with what's here, I don't know that I could create like a full look with it, to be honest. Of course, I'm gonna try. I don't know. I want to hear your guys' opinions. I felt like this is a little lackluster. Please don't forget to check out my social media. It's Luxe Nails by Jen on Instagram and Twitter. Check out my website as well. The link for that is down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. We are almost at 500, and what I'm going to do when I reach 1,000 subscribers is I'm going to do a giveaway box. So I've just been like collecting little things here and there to put in a box for you guys. Once I have that all put together and once we reach 1,000, it'll be really easy. All you'll have to do is comment down below. In that video, it has not started yet. I will let you know when I have started the giveaway process. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit that bell notification button down below so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys!